The Melbourne Victoria Night Market is in the heart of the city, specifically at the Queen Victoria Market. This historic market is one of the Melbourne's most iconic landmarks, dating back to the 19th century. The night market adds an exciting twist to the traditional market experience by transforming it into a lively evening affair. Bustling atmosphere, attracting both locals and tourists alike. During the market, the Queen Victoria Market comes alive with a multitude of stalls, food vendors and live entertainment. Visitors can explore a wide range of stalls selling a variety of goods, including arts and crafts, fashion items, accessories, homeware and more. It's a great place to find unique and locally made products. One of the highlights of the Melbourne Victoria Night Market is its diverse food scene. There is an extensive selection of food stalls serving up an array of cuisines from around the world. Whether you like Asian street food, Mediterranean delicacies, gourmet burgers, or delicious desserts, you'll always find something to satisfy your taste buds. We tried fresh sugarcane juice, and that was extraordinarily delicious. In addition to the shopping and dining options, the night market features live music performances, street performers, and cultural displays. Visitors can enjoy the lively atmosphere while listening to the talented musicians or watching captivating performances. It's a wonderful place to soak up the city's cultural diversity and vibrant energy. Overall, the Melbourne Victoria Night Market offers a memorable and enjoyable experience for the visitors of all ages. It combines the charm of a traditional market with the excitement of the evening event, creating a vibrant and bustling atmosphere in the heart of Melbourne.